Wagwan viewers and subscribers, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now, people. And thank you once again for tuning in to YaadAndAbroadTV, people. So, yo, people, news coming out of Jamaica that tropical storm or tropical depression Ida is dumping heavy rainfall in Jamaica, people. Tropical storm Ida has maximum sustained winds of about 40 miles per hour Thursday afternoon as it formed near Jamaica, people. It formed near Jamaica, and it's, as I said before, it had dumped a bunch of rain. So when I go to people, found some video footage online that me I go show, you know, what go on at Jamaica from tropical storm Ida. You see me, people? Now I'm going to talk too much in this video. I'm just going to show you the clips them of what is actually taking place in Jamaica at the moment. And I think heavy rainfall going to continue until about Saturday, them say, from the outer bands of Hurricane Ida. You see me? Or Tropical Depression Ida, I should say. So check out the video, and people, leave a comment section. And thank you once again for tuning in to Yard and Abroad TV, people. Bless up.
I am on the road news. Stephen here reporting. This is Marcus Garvey, and it's getting there with the waters, and we are trickling through. So if you're gonna come this side, take your time, drive a truck, you will be fine.
See there? I'm applauding South Manchester, see there? Water like crazy. All of them water where I run. It's the gully down there, so. Water where I come down the hill. From me born till now, whole of me, never see this yet. Because the drainage want clean. Bare dirt and grass and thing block the drainage. Drainage now clean and the amount of place flood out. See it there? Alright. See gully there, tear down the whole place. Gully there. Gully water like crazy. Right. See it there? See my car park up, I want to move all and I can't move. See it there? So the thing set up in the weather here.
Poor market people.
In Jamaica, this is your reporter, best reporting live for That's a Blast News, and this is just a mess. We are here in Gillard District, Southwest St. Elizabeth, and this is the impact of the flood waters. Good afternoon, Jamaica. I am Same Best reporting live for That's a Blast News, and look at the devastation of the recent rainfall in Southwest St. Elizabeth. Look at it. So folks, there you have it. The impact of the frequent rainfall in Southwest St. Elizabeth. Afternoon, Jamaica. This is a reporter, Same Best, reporting live from Southwest St. Elizabeth. Recent rainfall has created adverse conditions in the community of Gillard District. Look at the devastation behind me. DSM.
man. Long time no go beach, you know, man. What's the boss? But I mean, what's the general?
Alright, people, let's see what we have in Mandeville now. Well, apparently this truck is the truck trying to pull the water out.
See there? I'm gonna plow in South Manchester, see there? Water like crazy. All of them water where I run. It's the gully down there, so. Water where I come down the hill. From me born till now, whole of me, never see this yet. Cause the drainage want clean. There dirt and grass and thing block the drainage. Drainage not clean and the amount of place flood out. See it there? See gully there, tear down the whole place. Gully there. Gully water like crazy. See it there? See my car park up, I want to move all and I car move. See it there? So everything set up in the weather here. The whole road was your brother.
Why, if you know, you know. If you don't know Brushy Gate, this is what we are talking about. Great Gully comes straight down to Brushy Gate. The two I'm afraid and the water can't me already, I now go no further. But this not safe. This is the main road, this. What do you mean, Kim?